Alright, here is the product from LMR truck. Okay, we're going to disregard that. And we'll hook this on, but talk about what we're doing here. So, this box here is the air intake, and you lift open the flap here. It's right there. Might be a little hard to see, but it's right there. So the air will rush in, go through that pipe, go through here, go through this one, and then it'll go right in here. Now when it goes right in here, it's cold air. So that cold air will go in there, mix with the carburetor and the fuel, and then it will produce more power. You'll get more fuel efficiency. These are really rough guesses. Nobody knows until you put it on a dyno really what you're doing. But it definitely will help when you're driving this in a hot day like today is, and your motor is breathing the hot air inside the engine bay. So your fuel will sometimes combust before it goes into the combustion chamber itself. And if you have the cool air intake, you'll get more oxygen in the motor, which will mix with the gas vapors, which will create more combustion. Anyways, let's put this on here. Okay, so we take out a wrapper, do a brief inspection and show around on that. Looks good, no rips. Now, what those tabs are is when you put it on to the area that you're covering up, it locks it down. That way, you know, no air escape. It's basically vacuum sealed then. Both sides have that. Okay, so let's take the air cleaner off of it. And let's put the attachment, let's attach it to the airbox side first. Granted, this is 45 years old, so it's not going to go in there like, hey, it was made yesterday. I have to do some persuading. She's locked. Now, put the air cleaner side. Now, there's a lip right here, and that's where this goes on. So we're gonna persuade it onto that lip. Yep, like so. Yep, that side is okay. Now we lock that down. Okay, now just like that. Now, let's fire it up, see what happens. I like it already. Yeah, it's sucking air. Alright guys, that's it. Later.